before we go to the fire, what's one thing we must do? Test it. So everyone pick up the handle of the extinguisher. Okay? Unravel your lead. Unravel your lead. Okay, now on the ground, everyone look in there, sure, have a look in to make sure there's nothing in the end of it. No. Hard, quick. So now you can go and approach the fire.
So you should always do that first?
Yeah, because if you get down to the fire and you do it, you go, no CO2. So now bear in mind, this is a gas fire, it goes out very quickly because the CO2 will take away the heat and the oxygen. If you had a big cardboard box fire, you may be fighting that a little bit longer. So just bear in mind, the name of the game is going through the practice of, you've identified the fire, you've identified the extinguisher, you've tested it, you're going to have a bit of a squirt, okay? Everyone happy? Okay, I'll turn the fire on. Yep, when you're ready, yep, walk up about a metre away, engage the extinguisher and just put all around it. Yep. Oh, do again, no, you didn't get it. Excellent, well done. When you're ready, sir. As you can see, a little bit too far. You got that to protect you, okay, so yeah. there's no danger for being burnt. No, move forward. Okay, good. Okay. Drop quick. Excellent. Well done. No, hold it. Wrap over it. Wrap over those big knuckles. No, wrap it over. Curl it over. Bend your wrists.
Just like this?
No, bend your wrist. Hold it and bend your wrist. That's it. Okay. So don't want that fingernail polish to melt. Yeah. Okay. Oh, okay. Got away with that one, didn't we?